Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. This is a message to you and a reminder for myself. I hope you enjoyed your Ramadan. We are beyond halfway now, subhanallah. Time is ticking away. Look, my key message for you is we may not live to see another Ramadan again. So, make the most of this time. Seize the opportunity to connect with Allah. And how best can we connect with Allah is by connecting through the Qur'an, by understanding the meanings and pondering on the verses that has been revealed by Allah. And after all, this is the month of the Qur'an, so the least we could do as believers is to reflect and ponder on these beautiful verses. What is the message that Allah is trying to convey to us, and how best do we live our lives so we are amongst the successful ones, and that we don't fall in that trap of being amongst the losers. So that is my message. Assalamu alaikum.